How to grow Gulmohar trees. Gulmohar trees are large, evergreen trees that can grow up to 30 meters tall. They have beautiful, bright red flowers that bloom in the spring and summer. Gulmohar trees are native to India and Pakistan, but they can be found in many other countries as well. Growing Gulmohar trees is not difficult, but there are a few things you need to know. The first thing you need to do is find a good spot for your tree. Gulmohar trees need plenty of sunlight and room to grow, so make sure the spot you choose has plenty of both. You should also make sure that the soil is fertile and well drained. You can improve the soil quality by adding compost or organic matter to it. Once you have found a good spot for your tree, it is time to plant it. Choose a day when the soil is wet, and dig a hole that is twice as wide as the root ball of the tree. Be careful not to damage the roots when you are planting the tree. Water the tree well after planting, and keep the soil moist but not soggy. Gulmohar trees need very little care once they are established. They are drought tolerant and can even survive in poor quality soil. However, you should still water your tree during extended periods of drought. Mulch the soil around the tree to help keep it moist and to prevent weeds from growing. Fertilize your tree once a year with a balanced fertilizer. If you follow these simple steps, you will be able to grow beautiful Gulmohar trees in your own backyard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.